This is a super quick tutorial to show you how to do running stitch in embroidery. I love the dashes in running stitch. I even draw it in my art. Here's a close-up of what running stitch looks like. So it's this kind of dashed line all around the border here. All of these bits here is running stitch. I just love running stitch. Here is how I embroidered running stitch as a border for the text on this design. This was just the one that I did on calico. It's actually just the back of a calico curtain. That was all I could get during lockdown. These are the running stitches here. So here's how it works. The needle comes up from underneath, goes in this direction, then goes underneath and up, and it just keeps going forward. The gap between the running stitch is usually about the same length as the stitch, but I mean, anything goes really. It's up to you.
Running stitch is so basic. You just basically go up, then down, oopsies, then up, then down. This design is actually already drawn in running stitch. It's kind of a running stitch around there. I can already see where the stitches need to end, where they start. And also it's okay if you need to look on the back. Sometimes if I can't really tell where I'm going, I'll poke a little hole so that I can then turn it over and then poke it into the hole. So that's running stitch.
So thank you for watching. If you're to buy any of my PDF files or samplers or anything like that, please go to www.hoj.nz.
Happy stitching.